Hello, it's quite cold, so keep the thread warm to practice linking sound. Hold on, turn over, tell the right Mr. Dolly, fall off, follow upon, come in, call him, sell it, take out, fade away, succeed, and may, take over, look up, is open, make a wish, kiss and Tallis, leave him alone, let's sit now, call another friend, jump up and down, buy a red envelope, get 2 tickets, stop pushing me, it's less serious, my mom made lemon pea, will Linda be there? Hardy, Bigger, Misander, Tall Lady, Rumes, Farrot, White Treat, Sonic, Love Violets, Sheep Parlor, Quick Kick, Bob Baker, Busharon, Haffer, Jacques Jean, Mr. Tavern, Hot Dog, Hubbard, Retail, MacBook, Stick Game, Have Vacuum, Sit Down, Napper, Big It, Love Fix, Smoothing, Should you, could you, the jar, a jar, let you, let you, let you, kajar, bashar, tissue, fasher, kishu, easier, refuser, zizzer, ratio. Should you cut your hair? Could you pass your vocal radio? This is the year. Is you in the picture? I'll let you pet with long hair. As is your children, I couldn't face your mother. I call you for case you forgot. How could I refuse your offer? Would they let you come along? That's all. Goodbye.